Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
Good afternoon.
Foodies, what up? You guys are gonna love this, honestly. There's so much awesome food here in Prague. I actually don't know because this is one of my first times to Prague.
Oh, look! It's a little park trail.
Hey, I'm Ruthie, and this is Hammer. In March of 2019, we quit our jobs and left America in search of a new home. We have 2 years to find a country where we can have a family, start a bed and breakfast, and grow old together. Subscribe to join our adventures.
I'm buying 2 tickets. It's gonna be 48 Czech dollars or whatever they're called, and that's about $2.
Need some loving, baby.
Bye-bye. It says side dishes. All you can eat.
Soaks up the flavor of the meat sauce. Some sort of green would be like really good to add with this. But potato dumplings really good, fried cheese really good, beef really good, and then just add a green and you have a full meal here.
I'm stuffed.
Adela's the bomb. She's awesome. Thank you, Adela. And she has the coolest hair. Look at her hair. Oh my God.
Poop emoji gingerbreads. This is my favorite place ever. Oh. That was rude.
It can happen.
You don't like them?
I'm not a big fan of gingerbread.
Oh.
I don't know why I didn't say it before.
Take me to your heart.
I feel like there's like 6 billion bachelorette parties going on here.
There's a street mini festival right in front of the bridge, so we're gonna do that. And we're gonna spin around. There's 2 things that are always really difficult to do when you're traveling. First is finding water, and the second is finding a bathroom.
That camera.
What?
Camera's with you. Thank
Yeah.
God. Oh, I was so scared. The third is holding on to your stuff.
Got it on my nose. The dough is still so soft and fresh on the inside. This is amazing. The tram is really nice in Prague. We had a very slow morning again, but I love that type of travel.
So right now we're in one of the oldest parts of Prague and it's so beautiful here. There's an awesome park and you can just like chill out. There's a lot of shade, which is nice because it's a really hot day. And then behind us is, I forget the name of the church, but it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's the area, I think it's called Visarad. We'll spell it for you. And on Sundays they do organ concerts, but we didn't go inside to see it.
but you can hear the organs from the outside.
Yeah.
We're currently having a picnic in the park. We got some cheese, bread, and turkey.
Telling me to dance, taking a chance.
Honestly, the view is not amazing here. It's nice, but it's not amazing.
He's a foam addict.
I love a cappuccino foam. How do you feel now that you've finally seen this awesome clock?
You know, I was expecting a little bit more. I'm waiting until it works. Whenever you see a big crowd in front of something, that means something's about to happen.
Everyone in this whole crowd is just standing around staring at the clock for the next 10 minutes. Everyone's just gonna be like... We have 5 minutes now. Okay.
Yes. Awesome. Whoa, we waited an hour for this. We didn't. We waited like 10 minutes. Oh, and that's it. Cool. This is crazy. Oh yeah! What a show! What a show!
Telling me to dance, taking a chance. Telling me to dance, taking a chance.
These guys are really working it here.
They're twerking it. Do you want to go up there and twerk next to them? Oh! Twerking it!
We got so lucky to be able to see that. Honestly, guys, music is one of the coolest things because it's across all cultures. Like, every culture sounds a little bit different, but music is something that almost everywhere in the world, it like unites people and makes people happy. And that was just the coolest thing to see.
What's up? What are you? It's not a sea otter.
It was too hot, so we had to get ice cream.
Hold your gun, caught the wire. Aim for desire. Hold your gun, caught the wire.
No. No! Don't touch her!
Aim for desire. Hold your gun, caught the wire. Aim for desire. I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling. Maybe we're invisible at last. Fueling every engine, power is descending. Maybe we're invisible. Hold your gun, cut the wire. Aim for fun.
It smells really good in this park. We're making our way down from all the way up in Petra Tower, but it smells so yummy, like flowers. Like flowers. Just like flowers. Bye.